If you're a patient who's afraid to smile, who doesn't like to take family photos, here at Advanced Dentistry we have a great solution for you with full arch implant restorations. We see a large number of patients that their teeth are just not good. And traditionally they've been told that, hey, let's try to save them, let's try to hang on to them for as long as possible. Oftentimes these patients go through very lengthy, very uncomfortable procedures, gum treatment, surgery, and those teeth still don't look good, don't feel good, patients are still in pain, they're still not functioning like they normally would function. Well, implants are a great solution for them. If the teeth are not saveable, if we got to the point that the teeth cannot be kept in and keep their form and function and give the patient healthy, beautiful smile, then implants will provide a great solution to replace those teeth and do it in the most natural and most harmonious way, where people can go back to chewing their food comfortably, smiling comfortably, and just going about their life and not thinking about teeth. If you're a patient who's afraid to smile, who hasn't taken a family photo smiling in a while, here at Advanced Dentistry we'll give you great options to get a healthy, permanent, strong smile.